Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Hi, everyone!
Happy Sunday from Sicily, and we have a great news. It's time to travel again.
Great news for you, but first of all, great news for us.
Guess, we are ready to visit what?
New York!
It's the first time for me and the second time for you, right, Gianca?
Yeah, but I was 20, so it's potentially it's my first time too, because I was so young. So
we are completely crazy. It's a last-minute decision.
we didn't plan it. We didn't think about it. We only decided to purchase our airfare and let's go.
Life is one, and you need to enjoy it to the fullest. So we decide to do.
But you know, because we used to work in the tourism industry, so the only chance for us to travel is in the winter time, when all our suppliers are off, when we don't have any clients. Usually, sometimes we had clients in January and February as well. But this time we decided to stop and spend some beautiful days on vacation.
Yes. We know that it's not the perfect time to visit New York in January.
But it's only our chance.
And we will spend 3 days in Manhattan. We are planning to visit the lower part, the Midtown, and the north part of Manhattan. And of course, guys, we are going to plan a Sicily Lovers Meeting, because we can wait to hug you. Also the sun.
This is a sign. So the sun appeared, and it means that it bless our meeting.
you bright our life, so that's why the sun appears.
So let's talk about the potential meeting. We are going to schedule a meeting on
Saturday, 27.
Saturday night
of January. We can plan a dinner time. We are looking for the right place, a place that can host the crazy Rosella and the crazy Gianca, a place that can host and accept my way of talk and scream all the time.
So,
and you, dear Sicily lovers, because no doubt that the time that we will meet, we will scream, we will cry, it will be what can I say?
A special moment.
A special moment, and not so quiet moment. So a place not so formal, not so fancy, you used to say. Informal place.
Informal, yes.
Informal, that's the right.
And we accept your suggestions,
yes.
Because we would like to find a place in particular that accepts separate bills, separate checks, so everybody can order, can have what they want, and everybody can pay on their own.
Yes,
and
to be free and decide without limitation.
Yes, yes.
So please write in the comments. Maybe it's better in the Midtown, because we will stay there. So I don't know if there is maybe a Sicilian place in Little Italy, or let us know.
We are open to your suggestions.
We are open. If you have a friend that owns a restaurant, maybe you can talk to him and let us know. And I'm very, very excited, because I'm going to visit for the first time. I'm going to see what my grandparents and my father saw when they arrived in the States. The Statue of Liberty. It's a symbol for all the Sicilian people that left Sicily and emigrate to the States looking for a better life.
So would you like to explain the reason why you have an American passport,
yes,
for those who don't know?
For those who don't know. Well, my father emigrated to the States, and he lived in California for 26 years. And then my grandparents and my my father came back to Sicily. So that's why I was born here in Sicily. I'm a proud Sicilian, but half of my heart is in the States, and that's why this is the beautiful gift that my father left me. Is not alive anymore, so it will be very touching for me to visit. And so what they did. I also want to visit Ellis Island to see the museum dedicated to all the emigrants, and I know how you feel when you come in Sicily, when you arrive in Sicily for the first time, and I can understand when you say, I feel at home. For those in our community that have a Sicilian origin, you know, we used to help you find your roots here in Sicily and plan the visit of the homeland of your ancestors. We plan tour of Sicily, and in particular, when we plan a tour of Sicily for people that have a Sicilian origin, always it's really touching for us, and I can understand your feeling. So I'm very excited this time because New York is the city, and it's impossible that in my life I've never been there yet, and I'm ready. Keep calm. We are ready, and we can wait, guys, to meet all of you. We did last year in Florida. We had 3 beautiful meetings with all our Sicily lovers, and was amazing because you filled our hearts with so much joy and happiness, and so we can wait. Please write in the comments what you're feeling. Gianca would like
it's
to have something.
It's unforgettable. It's beautiful, and we look forward to meeting you again. So all the people who live in the New York City area, we are ready.
Maybe.
I mean the area. Yes. I mean the surroundings of the Big Apple.
So the meeting will be in Manhattan.
Yes.
We are still looking for the right place, so please help us.
So say again the date. Remember the date.
So January 27.
Yes.
Maybe at 6 p.m.
Yes.
Let's see where, but in Manhattan, and I'm so excited. So if
not necessarily a supper. We can start with an aperitif. We can start toasting all together, so we can drink all together. Then we decide how we can go home, and no limits, no limits. The only important element, the key element, the most important ingredient is your passion. So we look forward to seeing you.
And of course, we will bring with us the Sicily Lovers flag.
Yes.
To show all Manhattan the power of the Sicily Lovers community.
Yes.
Guys, thank you for your love, and I don't know what to say.
See you very soon.
See you very soon in New York City. And we know that 3 days are a limited time, but it's not the last time.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And so, so far is all. We love you. And so, the only problem maybe would be that I will wait for Gianca at the visitors line because I have the American passport. So let's see. Otherwise, you will meet Rosella, and Gianca will be still at the airport waiting for me.
In the line.
In the line.
Waiting to enter.
Guys, we love you.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
And see you in New York.